Hello everyone, welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And this is your host Victor. And for today I'm going to be sharing with you a very healthy, very refreshing, delicious dish. And I was stoked on it during my recent trip to Hawaii. And in my area in Vancouver, there's a lot of restaurants popping everywhere. And I'm talking about poke. Poke is pretty similar to our ceviche or kinilaw in the Philippines, although we're not going to be using any vinegar. And that's the only difference. And it's going to be very expensive though when you eat this outside. So it's really good to know how to make this in your own kitchen. So stick around with me until the very end of this video and let's have fun together cooking this dish. Let's get started. The first step that we need to do here is to slice our tuna. And by the way, I'm using sashimi or sushi grade Ahi Tuna here, which is very fresh and pinkish in color. So if you are not sure if your fish is that fresh, what you're gonna do is to put it in the freezer, freeze it for at least when it's really frozen. And that's to make sure that you kill the organisms that are in there, because you don't want to be having food poison or anything like that. So what I'm going to do at this point is to slice this up. So you can basically slice your tuna any size that you want, but for me I'd love to slice it like half an inch thick, like this. And then what I'm going to do is to dice it up like this. And make sure that your knife is really sharp when you slice your tuna, because you don't want to ruin the texture of your beautiful sushi grade tuna here. So this is done now. We're going to set this aside and prepare our marinade. And we're going to be using our bowl here to make our marinade. And first to go in here would be our 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And into this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. If you're wondering what coconut aminos is basically a substitute for soy sauce, because we are going the paleo way here, so that means we're not going to be using any soy or any wheat in this dish. And coconut aminos is basically fermented nectar from the coconut sap. So this is very healthy. There's 17 amino acids in it, and it's a good substitute for soy sauce. And to balance the taste, I'm going to add coconut nectar syrup. And this is basically the sweeter, syrupy version of the coconut aminos. And into this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And I'm going to sprinkle my crushed chili pepper, which is optional. And then I'm going to crack fresh pepper on it. And then I'm going to add my 1 clove of finely minced garlic. And also half a thumb of finely minced organic ginger. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion. And then we'll add a pinch of salt in it. And now using our whisk here, we're going to whisk them all together. Oh, it really smells so good now. And now that I'm done making my marinade, what I'm going to do at this point is to add in here my sliced ahi tuna. Add them all together. And I'm going to give it a really good mix. Make sure that my tuna here is all swimming in my marinade. I'm going to taste it for salt. Perfect. I don't need a salt in it anymore. Although I think I would need more extra virgin olive oil in it. give it another mix. And what I'm going to do at this point is to cover this with a saran wrap. And I will pop this in the fridge for 15 minutes. And once that's done, I'm going to be right back. So it's been 15 minutes and I just took out from the fridge my poke, and it's now ready to serve. And by the way, I'm going to be serving it with miracle noodles. And this is basically konjac noodles. It's 0 calorie, gluten free, and it's paleo-friendly. So this is a really good alternative or option for rice. So my miracle noodles here would serve as our bedding. And on top of this, I'm going to add my poke. And then you can pretty much add any vegetable that you want to add in here. And to this I'm going to add my julienne carrots. I'm just going to put it on the side here. And to this I'm also going to add my sweet mini bell pepper rings. And I love my tomatoes, so I'm going to add my tomatoes here on the other side. And then to this I'm also going to add my avocado. I'm just going to try to find it out if I can. Seems like it's hard. And of course I'm going to base the top of my vegetables here with my marinade. And then I'm going to sprinkle some of my minced ginger. Sprinkle it as well with my sesame seeds. And crushed chili pepper. And cracked fresh pepper on it. And this is our poke here. It's done and ready to serve. We're back here with our final product, our paleo poke. It really smells so good right now. I don't want to waste time. I want to taste it right now. It's really so good, and because my ahi tuna is so fresh, it tastes so buttery because of that. And in fact, it's as good, if not better, than what I have tasted in Honolulu, Hawaii. So I hope you had fun watching this video today, and feel free to make this in your own kitchen. And when you do, don't forget to write down your comments in the comment section below. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching today again, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.